NFTs, non-fungible tokens. So in today's episode, we'll be talking about what are NFTs, how do they actually work, and should you invest in NFTs? What are non-fungible tokens? Non-fungible tokens are cryptographic assets on a blockchain with unique identification codes and metadata that distinguish them from each other. It differs from fungible tokens like cryptocurrencies. NFTs are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain and cannot be replicated. NFTs can represent real world items like artwork and real estate. NFTs can also function to represent individual identities, properties, rights, and more. So, in general, NFTs are digital assets that one owns or one can sell for a value, especially for Ethereum or Polygon cryptocurrencies. And the way you do it is that, say, like you have something valuable, say, like you have a old painting or unique painting that you think that no one else has, you can make it into a digital format and put it on the NFTs market for sale. How do NFTs work? NFTs exist on a blockchain which is distributed public ledger that records transaction. NFTs are typically held on Ethereum blockchain, although other blockchain also support them as well. Say if you're selling it on an Ethereum blockchain, then there is a gas fee that is required to be paid. Either it is paid by the seller or the buyer. But other platforms like Polygon also support the sale of NFTs when you don't require to pay the gas fees. An NFT is created or minted from digital objects that represent both tangible and intangible items like art, GIFs, videos and sports highlights, collectibles, virtual avatars and video game skins, designers, sneakers, and music. So, like I said, like NFTs can be anything that you think is valuable, and you can put it in a digital format. If you have an art or a painting, you can convert it into an NFTs. You have GIFs, you can convert it into an NFTs. You have some videos or sports highlights. If you own the rights to these, then you can definitely sell them as NFTs. Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey sold his first ever tweet as an NFT for more than $2.9 million. Even celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Lindsay Lohan are jumping on NFT bandwagon, releasing unique memories, artworks and moments as NFTs. So NFTs are like physical collector's items in digital format. So instead of getting an actual painting to hang on the wall, the buyer gets a digital file instead. NFTs also get exclusive ownership rights. NFTs can have only one owner at a time. NFTs unique data makes it easy to verify their ownership and transfer tokens between owners. The owners or creators can also store specific information inside them. For instance, artists can sign their artwork by including their signature in an NFT metadata. How is an NFT different from cryptocurrency? NFTs are generally built using the same platform as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins or Ethereums, but that's where the similarity ends. Physical money and cryptocurrencies are fungible, meaning they can be traded or exchanged for one another. They are also equal in value. $1 is always worth another dollar. One Bitcoin is always equal to another Bitcoin. Crypto's fungibility makes it a trusted means of conducting transaction on the blockchain. NFTs are different. Each has a digital signature that makes it impossible for NFTs to be exchanged for or equal to another. Hence, it's called a non-fungible. How to buy NFTs? If you are keen to start your own NFT collection, you will need to get a digital wallet that allows you to store NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Some of the popular wallets are MetaMask wallet, Alpha wallet, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, and more. You will need to have a cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Polygon to purchase NFTs. In case you plan to buy via Ethereum, then you will also need to pay a gas fee to complete the transaction. What are some of the popular NFT marketplaces? Some of the popular NFT marketplaces are OpenSea, Rarible, Foundation, Super Rare, Axie, and Mintable. There are many more, but these are some of the famous NFT marketplaces from where you can buy or sell NFTs. So now coming to the point, should you invest in NFTs? I would definitely say you should invest in NFTs because these are the hotcakes these days, and especially if you are a digital creator, you will be on the boom if you know how to create some unique art and then you can sell it on these popular marketplaces. And if you are someone who would like to collect these items, then definitely you should go for it, especially if you think some of these digital assets are valuable. Say these crypto punks or ape series, they are very popular, but they are also very costly, one cannot afford it. But there are some other NFTs also which you might be interested in, say like some sports players NFTs, right? Some music NFTs or some paintings that would be interested, that you like, you can buy it. And then again, just because it is an NFT, just don't invest into it and just buy it, because each NFT has its own value. Some might rise over the period of time, some might not rise over the period of time. You should always think like which NFT will give you a better value over the period of time. Say like you bought a painting, it is unique, then you should know that okay, by these many years the value of this digital art or this digital painting will rise. And suppose if you want to sell it at some point of time in the future, then it should give you some very good returns on it, right? And just that, like, because if you bought a painting just for naam ke vaste, and if you're keeping it for yourself, and over the period of time if it doesn't raise in value, then there is no point in getting such NFTs. So in general I would say like NFTs are also like the cryptocurrencies or the stocks that you purchase. When you purchase, you make your thorough research, you see which are the best stocks, and then you pick them. Same is the thing with NFTs as well. So that's it guys from today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did like it, do give it a big thumbs up, do comment your views as well, and yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such informative videos. So thanks for watching this video guys, take care.